Welcome back again. So far we have discussed AND or XOR and test instruction. So remaining four instructions we have discussed now. We'll discuss now. Now remaining four instructions is basically either shift instructions or rotate instruction. You can see we have SHR, SHL. I mean SHR represents shifting right, SHL represents shifting left, and then we have got two different instructions, RCR and RCL. RCR means rotate right and RCL means rotate left. Okay, let us discuss one by one. As far as SHR is concerned, you can see there are two different type of SHR instruction. SHR register comma 1. SHR register comma 1. What does this mean? This means that whatever specified register is there, the content of specified register is going to be shifted by shifted towards right position by single position, right? Shifted to right by single position. You can see here along with CF. You can see here, let us say it is register BL. Okay, let us say this is SHR BL comma 1. Let us say this is SHR BL comma 1. So what will happen? This is B7, B6, B5, B4, B3, B2, B1, B0. So these are 8 bit of BL register, and then this is carry flag. So what will happen in case of SHR BL comma 1? It means that whenever we are talking about SHR, the content of the specified register is going to be shifted towards the right side by 1 position, because this is 1, because of this 1. If this is 2, it means shifted by 2 position. 3 by 3 position, right? Now, if you look at this, you can see here, and while doing this, what will happen? You can see, as far as this number is concerned, B7, B6, B5, B4, B3, B2, B1, B0, B7 is always referred as MSB. This is not D, this is B rather, most significant bit. And this is going to be least significant bit. Now, what will happen? This LSB is going to enter into CF, this carry flag, and 0 is going to be entered in the MSB. This is how it is happening in case of SHR instruction. And here, the second example could be SHR register comma CL. CL means what? CL means register, SHR register comma CL means the content of this register is going to be shifted right. By how many position? It depends on the content of CL. Depends on content of CL. If CL is 1, it will be shifted by 1 position. If CL is 2, it will be shifted by 2 position. If CL is 3, it will be shifted by 3 position. Okay, so this specified register, the source can be, source means the data which is to be shifted. It can be register here, it can be memory location as well. You can see here SHR memory location comma 1 and SHR memory location comma CL. Now here आप अगर देखोगे SHR कीवर्ड के बाद जो either memory location रहेगा या register रहेगा, that is where you will be operating. That is where you will be operating. It means operating means the data shift करने की जो बात हम कर रहे हैं, that is this either register or memory location. And comma followed by some number, it means those many times the data is going to be shifted. Comma followed by some register, it means whatever content of register is there, for those many times the content of memory location is going to be shifted. So this is how this SHR instruction is going to be executed. Now let us take example. This is very typical example. What would be content of register BL and CF flags after execution of SHR BL, 01 instruction. SHR BL, 01 instruction. Assume that before execution content of BL is 04 and status of carry flag is 1. तो अब देखिए, this is SHR BL, 01. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? ये BL स्टेटस जो है एक पोजीशन से राइट साइड को शिफ्ट होगा, राइट? कैसे शिफ्ट होगा? ये MSB 0 is going to be मतलब MSB is going to be replaced by 0, मतलब 0 यहाँ पर जाएगा and LSB is going to be entered into the CF flag. Okay, let us take example. उसका जो example के तौर पे before execution क्या है? अभी मैंने जैसे बताया before execution क्या है? 04. You can see 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So 04 is the data before execution. CF का स्टेटस क्या बताया, कैरी फ्लैग का 1 बताया। आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन क्या होगा, the data is going to be shifted towards right position by 1 position, towards right side by 1 position। अब देखिए बिफोर एग्जीक्यूशन इफ दिस इज द स्टेटस, आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन क्या होगा, देखिए ये 0 यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, ये 0 यहाँ होगा, ये 0 यहाँ होगा, ये 0 यहाँ जाएगा, ये 0 यहाँ जाएगा। 1 is going to be shifted here, this 0 is going to be shifted here, this 0 is going to be shifted here। It means CF जो पहले 1 था is going to be 0, and therefore you can see before execution it was 4 0 4, after execution it becomes 0 2, after execution it becomes 0 2, it is divided by 2 option। So in case of SHR instruction you are going to get divided by 2 option action, okay। In case of SHR instruction you are going to get divided by 2 operation, okay। Now this is another example, SHR BL, CL। पहले मैंने बताया था SHR ये क्या है, SHR BL, 01, मतलब 01 क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ये डेटा कितने बार शिफ्ट होगा, इसका डेटा, ये BL रजिस्टर का डेटा, मतलब दिस इज SHR कीवर्ड के बाद जो रजिस्टर है वो रजिस्टर के डेटा पे हमें काम करना है। हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इज गोइंग टू बी शिफ्टेड, दिस नंबर इज गोइंग टू डिसाइड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इज गोइंग टू बी शिफ्टेड। इस एग्जांपल में हमने क्या किया, SHR BL, CL, अभी भी BL का डेटा ही हमें शिफ्ट करना है, बट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट डिपेंड्स ऑन कंटेंट ऑफ CL। CL में जो डेटा है दैट इज गोइंग टू डिसाइड, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पर दिया कि व्हाट विल बी कंटेंट ऑफ रजिस्टर BL, CL and CF tags after execution of SHR BL, CL instruction। लेकिन क्या अज्यूम किया हमने, अज्यूम हमने ये किया कि बिफोर एग्जीक्यूशन BL जैसा 8 है, CL is 2, so BL में 8 है, CL में 2 है and CF 1 है। देखिए बिफोर एग्जीक्यूशन क्या किया हमने, BL is 8, it means 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, BL is 8, CF का स्टेटस 1 यहाँ पर बताया। अभी यहाँ पर क्योंकि CL में 2 है इसलिए how many times is going to be shifted, is going to be shifted 2 times, it is going to be shifted 2 times, this is first time you can see। अब देखिए ये एक एक पोजीशन शिफ्ट हो गया हुआ, you can see B3 यहाँ पर 1 था, now it becomes 0, ये यहाँ पर शिफ्ट हुआ, राइट। तो पहले क्या हुआ, एक बार शिफ्ट हुआ डिवाइड बाय 2, पहले 8 था 4 हो गया, एंड देन you can see this one shifting। अब देखिए यहाँ से यहाँ आया, यहाँ से यहाँ आया, so it is going to be shifted towards right by 1 position। so क्योंकि यहाँ पर CL equal 2 है, so we have executed it is twice, we have shifted the data twice, okay, and as a result of that you can see again it is divided by 2 operation, divided by 2 action I mean to say। so earlier it was 8, one time shifted it becomes 4, another time shifted it becomes 2, okay, 8 to 4 and 4 to 2। so this is another example। this is still further example, SHR BX square bracket BX, CL। square bracket BX का मतलब क्या है, अभी आपका memory location है ये, this is what the memory location is। so BX doesn't mean that this is register, this is memory location। so whenever you have a square bracket BX, इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि the content of the memory location whose address is in BX is going to be shifted towards the right side by how many position, depends on content of CL। क्योंकि content of CL हमने 0 2 लिया है तो फिर से ये कितने बार शिफ्ट होगा, 2 बार शिफ्ट होगा। अभी हमने क्या किया, BX का कंटेंट we have presumed that not BX, the memory location का कंटेंट हमने क्या प्रिज्यूम किया, 0C। देखिए 0C का मतलब क्या है, 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0, ओके, 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0। अब देखिए ये CF is 1, हमने CF 1 लिया है तो पहली बार शिफ्ट होगा, ये 1 यहाँ आया, ये 1 यहाँ आया, obviously this is going to be 0 because ये 0 यहाँ पर गया। अब देखिए so earlier it was C, now it becomes C is 12, you can see it's now 6, 12 by 2 becomes 6, again it is shifted। अब देखिए ये 1 यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ, ये 1 यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ, now it becomes 3, so 12 by 2 6, 6 by 2 3। so this is another example of SHR instruction। now let us consider SHL instruction। all students are requested to mute themselves, okay, because I could see the background noise, okay, so you are requested to mute yourself। so this is SHL instruction, next instruction। now what is SHL? SHL is exactly opposite to SHR। SHR में क्या था, आप देखिए एसएचआर में क्या था कि ये जो स्टेटस है, अब देखिए ये एसएचआर में था, ये जो है B0 यहाँ जा रहा है एंड MSB इज गोइंग टू बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 0। अब देखिए यहाँ से प्रिसाइजली दिस इज वेरी बोल्ड, LSB enter into the C, MSB going to CF and our MSB is replaced with 0, मतलब 0 जो है MSB में जा रहा है and every bit is shifting towards right side by 1 position। SHL में क्या होगा, इसका उल्टा होगा। अब देखिए आपका MSB CF में जाएगा and 0 जो है LSB में जाएगा, आपका LSB 0 से रिप्लेस होगा and each bit is going to be shifted towards the left side by either 1 or depends on the example। जैसे कि यहाँ पर देखिए SHL रजिस्टर, SHL और SAL, SHL और SAL there are two instructions, either SHL or SAL meaning same, so it is better to remember SHL। SHL register comma 1, इसका मतलब इस रजिस्टर का कंटेंट since it is 1, how many times it is going to be shifted, it is going to be shifted by towards the right side by one, sorry left side by 1 position। now SHL रजिस्टर कॉमा CL, इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि ये जो रजिस्टर होगा इस रजिस्टर का कंटेंट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट विल बी शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड, डिपेंड्स ऑन द वैल्यू ऑफ CL, डिपेंड्स ऑन द वैल्यू ऑफ CL। एंड देन सेकंड इसमें हमने इंस्टेड ऑफ रजिस्टर वी हैव कंसीडर्ड मेमोरी लोकेशन। लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल। अब देखिए व्हाट वुड बी कंटेंट ऑफ रजिस्टर BL एंड CF फ्लैग्स आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ SHL BL, 01 इंस्ट्रक्शन। अब BL का स्टेटस हमने क्या किया, फिर से 04 लिया, assume that the content of BL is 04, तो हमने 04 लिया। अब देखिए यहाँ पर ये दिस इज बिफोर एग्जीक्यूशन 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 04 है, दिस इज 04, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव कंसीडर्ड बिफोर एग्जीक्यूशन। आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन क्या करना पड़ेगा, अभी देखिए ये MSB जो है 0 रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, देखो LSB सॉरी 0 is going to enter into the LSB और LSB will be replaced by 0, तो LSB 0 आया, पहले 0 था इसलिए समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, so is going to be 0 and ये जो है MSB that is going to enter into the CF carry flag, तो ये आपका ये carry flag में चले गया, right, and all bits are restricted towards the left side by 1 position। अब देखिए यहाँ पर 1 था, अब यहाँ पर शिफ्ट हुआ, तो क्या हुआ, पहले जो था this was 4, now it becomes 8, this was 4, now it becomes 8, it means multiplied by 2, so in case of SHL it is multiplied by 2 action, in case of SHR divided by 2, in case of SHL multiplied by 2 if it is shifted towards the left side by 1 position। okay, the same example we can consider for register as well। now let us consider as RCR। now what is the difference between SHR and RCR, because SHR is shifting right by 1 position, shifting right by 1 position, लेकिन तब क्या होता था आपका LSB CF में जाता था और LSB में 0 आता था, but here in case of rotate instruction the entire thing is going to be rotated including carry flag, entire thing। मतलब क्या हो रहा अभी, ये जो CF है मतलब B0 is entered into the CF and CF goes to MSB, okay, CF goes to MSB, you can see। so there are again here two example, RCR register comma A1, मतलब क्या होगा, जो स्पेसिफाइड रजिस्टर होगा उसका कंटेंट रोटेट होगा बाय टुवर्ड्स राइट साइड बाय 1 पोजीशन, लेकिन क्या डिफरेंस होगा RCR सॉरी SHR एंड RCR में, बिकॉज SHR में क्या होगा, मेरा MSB 0 से रिप्लेस होगा, right, and this CF is going to be lost, CF is not going to be transferred here, whereas in case of RCR now MSB CF is going to enter into the MSB and rest of the thing is going to be the same। okay, let us take example। आप देखिए एक एग्जांपल में आपको क्लियर समझ में आएगा। अभी आप अगर देखोगे हमने क्या किया यहाँ पर, what would be the example is what would be the content of register BL and CF flags after execution of RCR BL, 01 instruction, after execution of RCR BL, 01 instruction। now assume that, क्योंकि हमें कुछ assume तो करना पड़ेगा, assume that before execution the content of BL is 04, okay, assume that before execution content of BL is 04, okay, and CF is 1। अब देखिए यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया, this is ये पहले तो आपको समझाने के लिए यहाँ डायग्राम निकाली मैंने। अब देखिए क्या हो रहा है, ये शिफ्ट हो रहा है एक एक साइड, एंड दिस B0 content of this is LSB goes to CF and CF goes to MSB। अब देखिए दिस इज RCR और हमने SHR में क्या था, SHR में क्या था कि ये ऐसे ही था, लेकिन ये CF we used to lose the CF। अभी क्या हो रहा है, CF यहाँ नहीं जाता था, अभी क्या हो रहा है, CF यहाँ जा रहा है। हालांकि इस इंस्ट्रक्शन में, SHR इंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या होता था कि ये MSB में 0 जाता था and we used to lose the CF, whereas in case of RCR now everything is shifted right position by one right side by one position, and CF is going to be enter into the, I mean MSB is going to be replaced by CF। अब देखिए ये एग्जांपल हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पर 0 4 है, बिफोर एग्जीक्यूशन क्या है 0 4 है, एंड दिस इज 1, CF इज 1। अभी क्या हो रहा है आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन, आप देखेंगे कि एवरी बीट इज गोइंग टू बी शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स राइट साइड बाय वन पोजीशन। देखिए ये 0 यहाँ आया, ये 0 यहाँ आया, ये 0 यहाँ पर, ये 0 यहाँ पर, ये 0 यहाँ पर, ये 1 यहाँ पर आया, ये 0 यहाँ पर, ये 0 यहाँ पर आया। And what about this one? This one goes to the MSB. Therefore, here now you are not going to have divided by 2 because this is something different. This is 8 2. Earlier it was 0 4. It becomes 8 2. In case of, because you can see now here, in case of RCR, the 0 4 is going to be converted into 8 2. Whereas in case of SHR, 0 4 was converted into 0 2. It means their divide by 2 operation was there, action was there, whereas in case of RCR you are not going to have divide by 2। okay, similarly in case of RCL में क्या होगा, अभी RCL में देखिए आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि SHL एंड RCL में क्या डिफरेंस है। क्योंकि हमने SHR और RCR का देखा, क्योंकि दिस इज शिफ्टिंग है, दिस इज रोटेट इंस्ट्रक्शन है, वैसे ही अभी SHR और RCL में क्या डिफरेंस है। अब देखिए आप RCL में भी shifting towards right side, sorry left side by one position, लेकिन क्या डिफरेंस है, SHL में ये हमारा B7 used to go to CF, okay, and LSB used to replace by 0। ये बिल्कुल पीछे नहीं जाता था, फीडबैक कोई फीडबैक नहीं था। अभी क्या हो रहा है, ये जो आपका LSB है इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 0, इट्स गोइंग टू बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय योर MSB। आपका MSB यहाँ पर आया एंड दिस MSB गोज टू CF। मतलब देखिए यहाँ पर इवन RCR और RCL में भी बहुत सारा डिफरेंस है, कि RCL में क्या हो रहा है, अभी RCL में हमारा MSB goes to CF as well as LSB, MSB goes to CF as well as LSB, यहाँ कोई रिप्लेस नहीं हो रहा है। So accordingly there could be two examples, RCL BL,01, RCL BL, ROL or RCL, so it is better to consider RCL। okay, similarly instead of register we can take memory location as well। this is example। अब देखिए कि इससे ये डायग्राम बेटर है, बिल्कुल आपको समझ में आएगा। अब देखिए एवरी टाइम इट इज शिफ्टिंग बस लेफ्ट बाय वन पोजीशन। अब देखिए ये MSB यहाँ पर भी गया और LS में भी गया। MSB जो है हमारा, दिस इज MSB, मैंने यहाँ पर मैंने रिप्रेजेंट किया, दिस इज आवर MSB गोज टू CF एज वेल एज LSB। एग्जाम्पल देखिए हमने क्या, इस एग्जाम्पल में हमने क्या किया, 0 4 BL को 0 पर कंसिडर किया। अब देखिए BL को 0 4 है, 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 एंड CF हमने 1, CF इज 1। तो आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन क्या होगा, एवरी टाइम वन पोजीशन इज शिफ्टिंग बस लेफ्ट साइड। देखिए ये 0 यहाँ पर 0 1, CF 0 हो गया, एंड एट द सेम टाइम दिस 0 गोज टू LSB, दिस 0 गोज टू LSB एंड सब बीट जो है लेफ्ट साइड में एक एक से शिफ्ट हो जाएगा। अब देखिए यहाँ पर 1 था, ये 1 हो गया। अभी क्या हुआ, यहाँ पर भी हमें मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 ऑप्शन दिख रहा है, बट इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी guaranteed। For in this example, yes, it is there, but it's not going to be guaranteed because it all depends on what kind of MSB you have। यहाँ पर MSB 0 था, इसीलिए हमें divide by 2 multiply by 2 operation दिख रहा है, but if it is something different you are not going to have that operation। it means as far as RCL operation is concerned, you are not going to have multiplied by 2 operation। So this is how the RCL BL,01 operation is going to be taking place। Now there are last two instructions, bit manipulation instruction, NOT, and there are two different two last instructions left from the chapter. Not is one of the bit manipulation instruction. Why it is called bit manipulation instruction? Because here, whenever we are using not instruction, it's going to take one's complement of the operand. It's going to take one's complement of operand. Now you can say example not al. Not al means क्या होगा? al का content जो है उसका one's complement मिलेगा. Now that is why it's called bit manipulation. Individual bits are going to be manipulated. Individual bits are going to be manipulated. Here, most importantly, no flags are going to be updated. This is to be remember. No flags are going to be updated in case of not instruction. लेकिन क्या होगा यहाँ पर? You are going to get one's complement. जैसे AL में अगर FF है, what would be content of FF after not? AL after not 0 0. All F1 are going to be replaced with 0, and you are going to have logic 0, right? So this is what the not operation is. And the last instruction is negation. Negation or NEG. Negation means it will take 2's complement. Not, in case of not, it will take 1's complement, and in case of 2's, I mean in case of NEG, it will take 2's complement. In case of not, it will take 1's complement. I'm sorry. In case of not, it will take 1's complement, and in case of NEG, it will take 2's complement. Right? The format is NEG followed by register or NEG followed by memory, whatever. Right? So register can be any 8-bit register or 16-bit register, or memory can be, let us say, NEG square bracket BX. It means the content of the memory location whose address is BX is going to be 2's complemented. Right? Let us take example. अब देखिए एग्जाम्पल क्या है? MOV CX10. MOV CX10. Whenever we do NEG CX, क्या होगा अभी? CX में क्या होगा? 10 means this is edge. Remember, this is edge. So CX is 16-bit register. So 10 means 0 0 1 0. Okay, 0 0 1 0. Now NEG means 2's complement. So ये 0 जो रहेगा पूरा 1 हो जाएगा, ये 0 पूरा 1 हो जाएगा. So 0 0 0 0 is going to be FF. 1 1 1 1 means F. Second 0 F. Third 0, and then what is third is 1. Right? Third is 1. Right? 0 0 0 1. 0 0 0 1. So 0 0 0 1 means क्या होगा? Again is going to be 1 1 1 0. And then last is 0. That is going to be 1 1 1 1. That's going to be 1 1 1 1. As a result of that, if you take 2's complement of that, it will be result into FFF0. Okay. Similarly, the second example, MOV AX FFFH. If you take 2's complement, AX will become 1. Similarly, if BX is 1H, if you take 2's complement, it is going to be FFH. Now let me take, because I know you may not have understood how this NEG operation is being taking place. Now I'm going to give you some example. Okay. So हमने क्या किया? CX में देखिए, CX में क्या था हमारा? CX में है 10. So 10 means what? So CX, content of CX. Content of CX was, let me tell you, 10. 10 means 0 0 1 0. So 0 0 1 0 कैसे लिखेंगे? बाइनरी में. बाइनरी में लिखोगे आप 0 0 0 0, right? 0 0 0 0, right? And then 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 0 0. This is H. Remember, this is hexadecimal number. CX में क्या है? 0 0 1 0. देखिए इस एग्जांपल मैंने क्या किया था? CX में 0 0 1 0. मतलब 10 का मतलब क्या होता है? कभी भी ध्यान में रखना, क्योंकि this is 16-bit number. This 16-bit register. So preceding 0 we need to add, right? Although it was 10, but we have to consider 0 0 1 0. So CX में क्या किया मैंने? 0 0 1 0. अब देखिए 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. जब मैं NEG, now whenever I am writing NEG CX का मतलब क्या होगा? 2's complement of this number. 2's complement क्या होगा इस नंबर का? पहले 1's complement लेना पड़ेगा. देखिए 1 का 0 का 1 1 1 1. This is 1's complement of 0 0. Then 1 1 1 1, right? 1 1 1 0, right? And इसका सबका 1 1 1 1. ये हो गया 1's complement. And then you have to add 1, right? You you have to add 1 to this, right? You have to add 1 to this, right? तो क्या मिलेगा आपको अभी? आप देखिए, आप अगर ऐड करोगे अभी इसको लॉजिकल आई मीन अरिथमेटिक एडिशन, क्या होगा अभी? 1 और 1 0 with is going to be 1 और 1 0 with 1, right? 0 with 1, ये फिर से क्या होगा? 1 और 1 0 with यहाँ पर 1 आएगा, 1 और 1 0 with यहाँ फिर से 1 आएगा, 1 और 1 0 with फिर से यहाँ 1 आएगा, right? Let me write it properly, so it will come 4 0, right? Blackboard, it would have been very easy on blackboard, right? यहाँ पर 1 आया हमारा, so 0 with 1, so this is going to be 1. And आगे सभी, now we are not carry generated, so it's going to be same. So क्या होगा अभी? यहाँ पर सभी 1 1 1 होगा. So this number is going to be as it is repeated. It's going to be. Let me write it properly and then I will explain you again. Okay. अब देखिए, अभी आपको समझ में आएगा, बिल्कुल नीचे लाता हूँ इसके मैं. अब देखिए, so what I have NEG CX means 2's complement of this number, 2's complement of this number. This is CX actually, right? पहले हमने 1's complement लिया, so 0 का 1, 0 का 1, 0 का 1, right? 1 का 0, 0 का 1, right? And then adding 1. So 1 or 1 0 with 1, 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 right? And 0 with 1 1. No carry. So ये 1 1 1 1 सभी as it is रहेंगे. So क्या होगा? This is F F F 0, right? F F F 0. So this is what we call as hex number. F F F 0 is H. Okay. This is equivalent to F F F F F F 0. ये यहाँ पर हमने बताया. You can see here after NEG CX, CX become F F F 0. Okay. So this is how similarly you can work out for the another examples, right? So this is how we have completed this chapter. So far, as far as this particular chapter is concerned, let me quickly take a review. Let me quickly recap what we have discussed so far today. Okay. So we started with the AND instruction, right? So as far as AND is concerned, we need to remember logical ANDing. So there are 3 options. Both you can have both registers or one memory location, and register with memory location or memory location with register, right? This is one option. Then this is example we have considered. Or destination, you can consider only register AL or AX, or it can be AH as well, and you can have this data. Okay. And then we the same analogy we have discussed OR instruction, XOR instruction, right? There are again 3 options for OR, 3 options for XOR instructions. Then we talked about test instruction. As far as test instruction is concerned, test and AND is almost same. The only difference is in case of AND instruction, destination register as well as flags are going to be modified, whereas in case of test, only flags are going to be modified. Destination register is not going to be modified. Then we have discussed again 3 options for test. Then SHR. In case of SHR, you need to remember SHR means shifting right by 1 position, depending on this, whether it is, if it is 1 1, if it is CL, it can be those many number of times, right? But remember here, LSB is going to be rather CA flag is going to be replaced by LSB, and MSB is going to be replaced by 0. Okay, and this is what it is. It happens in case of SHR, and in case of SHL is exactly opposite. You can see here, everything is going to be, I mean, the content of specified register is going to be shifted left by 1 position or 2 position or 3 position, depending on this number or the value of the register followed by this comma. And moreover, here MSB is going to be, CF is going to be replaced by MSB, and the LSB is going to be replaced by 0. Similarly, RCR, in case of RCR, again, the content of specified register is going to be shifted right by one position, or depending on the value of CL or the specified register. And most importantly here, LSB is going to be entered. CF is going to be replaced by LSB, and MSB is also going to be replaced by CF. And this is how the entire rotate instruction is going to be taking place. Rotate action is going to be taking place. You can see here this LSB going to CF, CF going to MSB. Okay, and and as far as the RCL is concerned, you can see here MSB going to CF and MSB going to LSB as well. It means CF is going to be replaced by MSB and LSB also going to be replaced by MSB. This is what it is happening in case of RCL instruction. And last is NOT. NOT is bit manipulation instruction. Not, it is being used to take one's complement of the specified register. You can see not AL, means content of AL is going to be one's complemented. And the last instruction was NEG. NEG means the two's complement of specified register is going to take a two's complement. Format is NEG, comma register, or NEG, comma memory location. It means the content of memory location or register is going to be two's complemented. And these are the examples. So this is how, and then we have considered one example also. This is how we have, this is how the logical instructions are. So far we have finished the second chapter, right? Data transfer. In second chapter, we discuss data transfer instruction, logical instructions, and arithmetic instruction. In next chapter, we are going to discuss program control instructions.